Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you one of the rarest new pets from the latest Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest update, the Shadow Dragon. So in this latest update, Grow a Garden 2 introduced the Fall Harvest map, the new map that featuring a beautiful autumn themes like this. And while exploring this map, you can encounter several new pets, including the Shadow Dragon. And the Shadow Dragon has super rarity, making it extremely rare to find. And it will appear as random spawns wandering around this map. And then, if you are lucky enough to see one, you can purchase it for 30 million maple leaf. Yeah, it's expensive, very expensive. So make sure you have saved enough before it appears. And the Shadow Dragon also has powerful ability. It will fly around your garden and has a chance to apply the fail mutations whenever you plant a seed, and this makes it a valuable pet for players who want to collect special mutations. But in here, unfortunately, I can't show its ability in actions yet because I haven't been able to buy the Shadow Dragon. My Apple Leaf currency isn't enough yet, and it hasn't spawned on my map either. And okay, that's everything you need to know about this new Shadow Dragon pet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!